region. It was sunny with a temperature
I heard it. Yes, they are.
It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 53.
Yeah, here they are. You can hear it. It's a drill. It's a drill. It's not real. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for all counties in northern Indiana. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Could I have your attention, please? At this time, we will be participating in this statewide Indiana Severe Weather Drill. Please follow the proper tornado drill procedures. Remain in place until the all clear is announced. Thank you.
Safe actions to take. This is a test message. At this time, please review your tornado preparedness plan. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blackford, DeKalb, Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, LaGrange, Marshall, Miami, Noble, Pulaski, St. Joseph, Stark, Stone, Wabash, Welp, and Whitley.